Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to sleep better with regular exercise. Number 1. Establish a consistent exercise routine. The first option, 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. The second option, try to exercise on most days of the week. Number 2. Morning or afternoon workouts. Morning and afternoon exercise is generally preferable to evening workouts. Exercising too close to bedtime might interfere with sleep for some individuals. Number 3. Cardiovascular exercise. The first option, engage in cardiovascular exercises like walking, running, cycling, or swimming. The second option, these activities elevate your heart rate and body temperature, promoting better sleep when done regularly. Number 4. Strength training. Include strength training exercises 2 or 3 times a week. Resistance training can improve sleep quality by enhancing overall physical health. Number 5. Avoid intense workouts before bed. The first option, high-intensity workouts close to bedtime may elevate adrenaline and make it difficult to wind down. The second option, if you prefer evening workouts, opt for gentler activities like yoga or stretching. Number 6. Mind-body exercises. The first option, incorporate mind-body exercises like yoga or tai chi. The second option, these activities can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, contributing to better sleep. Number 7. Outdoor exercise. If possible, exercise outdoors, especially in natural sunlight. Sunlight exposure helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle and improves mood. Number 8. Consistent sleep schedule. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Number 9. Post-exercise routine. Include relaxation techniques like deep breathing, stretching, or a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to relax. Number 10. Listen to your body. If you find that a particular type or intensity of exercise disrupts your sleep, adjust your routine accordingly. If you continue to struggle with sleep despite regular exercise, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying issues.
In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.